Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the new notification which has been published by UPSC today about the post of Enforcement Officer Accounts Officer in the EPFO, Employee Provident Fund Organization, and the total posts were 421. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button, and also post your comment and queries in the comment section. So what is Enforcement Officer Accounts Officer in EPFO? This Enforcement Officer Accounts Officer in Employee Provident Fund Organization, Ministry of Labour and Employment, was notified by the UPSC by advertisement number 51/2020, for which a recent notification has been published by the UPSC. The total post in this Enforcement Officer Accounts Officer is 421. This is Group B non-ministerial post in Employee Provident Fund Organization. So what is the new notification which has been published is the timetable and the instruction. So what is the notification is all about? The notification is all about the timetable and instruction to the candidate who are going to appear for the post of 421 post of Enforcement Officer Account Officer in EPFO, Ministry of Labour and Employment, which was notified by the UPSC by advertisement number 51/2020. The date of exam is 9th of May 2021, that is Sunday, forenoon. That is, it is going to be happen in the forenoon session, that is before lunch. The Indian Standard Time given is 10 to 12. The subject and subject code is General Ability Test. What is a General Ability Test? Before that, it is very clearly mentioned that candidates reporting time at test center is 1 hour before the scheduled commencement of the test. That is, all the candidates who are going to appear for the post of Accounts Officer, Enforcement Officer in EPFO has to reach the center maximum by 9 o'clock in the morning. Maximum 9 o'clock in the morning on 9th May 2021. Also, entry into the test venue will be closed 10 minutes before the scheduled commencement of the recruitment test. That is 9 hours 50 minutes. 9:50 the entry would be closed, after which nobody would be allowed. First they have to carry with them printout of his her admit card. To the test on leave you have to carry. What is the scheme of test? Scheme of test is the test will be of 2 hours duration. All question will carry equal marks. The test will be an objective type with multiple choice question, MCQs, objective type. The medium of test will be both Hindi and English. To be noted, please, the test will carry a maximum marks of 300 marks. There will be a penalty for wrong answers. Every wrong answer will carry a deduction of 1/3 of the marks assigned to that question. If no answer is marked for a question, there will be no penalty. That means if a single question, if wrongly given, one question is equivalent to 2.5 marks. Means if you will do 3 wrong questions, you will lose 2.5 marks. The syllabus of test is General English, like to evaluate candidates' understanding of English language and workmen, like use of words. Indian freedom struggle. Third is current events and development issues, the current affairs. D is Indian polity and economy. Then general accounting principles. Then industrial relation and labor law. Then general science and knowledge of computer application. Then general mental ability and quantitative aptitude. And then social security in India. It is very clearly mentioned that the weightage of test and the interview. It is mentioned that recruitment test and interview carry 75-25 weightage. That means the 300 marks would be of written and 100 marks would be of interview. So that means total makes 400, and the weightage is given as interview written test is CBRT, recruitment test is 75%. For those candidates shortlisted based on and who will be able to qualify the recruitment test will be called for the interview only. So now people who are going to appear, you have to go through the everything in detail, and this is a notification which has been published by the UPSC today on their website, and it is by this we can make it out that the date for recruitment test is scheduled on 9th of May 2021. So all the candidates who are going to appear for the 421 post of enforcement officer, accounts officer in EPFO on 9th of May 2021, best of luck for them and do well. Now you have got the syllabus of the test. What is the syllabus? How much the duration would be? The duration would be of 2 hours. The total marks is 300. There will be a negative marking of 1/3, and the syllabus is this one. And so you have to score maximum in order to get a interview call. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section.